Do you need a price quote calculator for your website? It's easy with ConvertCalculator. In this tutorial, we will show you how to create a custom price quote calculator. You can start from scratch or use a template. Apply the filter Price Quote to see all the quoting calculators. There's one for solar, cleaning, lawn care, photography, and many more industries. Let's start from scratch. I'm going to set a nice name to my price quote calculator. The calculator is made up of elements. You use them to collect and show information. I will first add a column to give some structure. We will add questions on the left and display prices on the right. Let's use a simple text field to add a title. I'll increase the width of the calculator so I have space to work through. We need to ask prospects how big their house is. I will use a range slider, but you can use a simple numerical input field too. Now, I'm going to quickly make a bunch of adjustments to make it look great. The title is too big, so I will hide it and add one via a pure text field. Next, I will add a postfix to the slider label so users get instant feedback. A good trick is to always label your input fields so you can call them in formulas easily. If you have a spreadsheet, you can use the cell number, so working with formulas is easier. It's always a good idea to move things around and see what looks best. Convert is modular, so you can build exactly what you want. I will add a text field on the left, a slider, and the values separately via a formula. It's going to give it a more professional look. You don't have to do this. A pure play range slider will do the job too. But when we add our brand colors, it will look better. I'm hiding the value label on top of the slider. The beauty of Convert is that it is extremely customizable, down to the smallest detail. For the formula, we will first reference the size input field and then add the postfix. Next, I will add the brand colors. Convert can inherit the fonts from the website. I'm also going to customize the fonts. I'm building my first building block of the calculator. As soon as this is set, we will duplicate and cascade to the rest of the calculator. The preview button lets you test your calculator. I'm really happy with how this price quote calculator turned out. Let's add a container and add these input fields to it. Add a bit of a margin inside the containers and move things in. Let's add our next question. All of the inputs come together to serve in a formula. Let's duplicate this design and use it to display prices. You can even set an input field here like discount to let your salesperson add a discount on the fly. Every calculator is based on two things: inputs and formulas. Collect contact or address information if distance is a factor in price quotes. You can set the button to navigate to a different page if you want multi-page price quote calculators, send an email to the customer with their submissions, send data to a CRM, or send a web-based PDF. You can also track all of the interaction and submission data in Convert at any point. I'll round the button and make it look nice. Let's preview our final price quote calculator form and see how it looks. You can host this price quote calculator as a standalone form or embed it on any website or blog, including WordPress, Framer, Shopify, Wix, and Webflow.